Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. This video, we have a 2006 Ford Crown Victoria P71 with 95,573 on the miles and 2,873 idle hours. So that's 2,873 idle hours. This vehicle is now ready to be sold. So this is the copper color, a very rare color. Can't wait to show it. This car is absolutely, and it's another gem. It's definitely worth seeing, and it's just amazing. I can't wait. So check it out, guys. So I'll show you the outside, and then we'll show you the interior. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 909-457-5500, and you can visit our website for a full description, credit application, whatever. Okay, but again, guys, sorry, I don't mean whatever. I just I'm so excited to actually show you the car. Okay, so here we go, guys. 06 P71 police package. Let's get to it. Here we go. So in the front we have the Gold Rhino push bumper. Okay, beautiful copper color. Okay, spotlights are fully functional. You have full weight 225 or 235 tires, 55/17s, brand new all the way around. Okay, these lights, I'm sorry, the antennas are display only. They are not connected. Okay. Okay. Perfect. So if we had a better sun right now, then you will see the actual metallic on the actual paint, but it's beautiful. Okay. All right, so now let's go ahead and show you the inside. Driver's door. I'm not sure, this one may have ballistics, not sure. I don't see the stickers, but sometimes these stickers they come off. So nice tan interior. Obviously this is wear and tear there. It's got some wear on the steering wheel. We'll put a cover on that. Okay. Aside from that, it's beautiful. I'll show you the back door. Prisoner setup, no cage. Okay. Absolutely beautiful. So some of the stains that you see here just wouldn't come off. So unfortunately, we tried our best, but they will not come off. And that's just me being honest. Okay. Oh, let me show you the trunk. 1 second. Okay. You have a police trunk pack there. Beautiful. All right, so let's go to the rear passenger door. Get another angle. Beautiful. Show you the front. All right, front door. This vehicle is not equipped with a radio. Okay. Perfect. The spotlights are fully functional, both of them. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Again, guys, this is a 2006 P71 with about 95,000 miles and 2,800 on the idle. Absolute gem. I'm speechless because it's actually beautiful. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, 909-457-5500, or visit our webpage at drivecarsmart.com for full information on the vehicle. But again, this vehicle is now ready to be sold. And remember, all of our cars do come with a 3-month or 3,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, engine, transmission, differentials. Okay, so if you guys, again, guys, have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And consider hitting the subscribe button and hitting the like button. Okay, because we do have about 6 more Interceptors that we're going to be filming as well, because they're incoming, and some more Explorers as well. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and have a blessed rest of day. Thank you. Bye bye.